Hey, it's Denika with DC Woodworks, and I'm here to talk to you guys about the install of my wood stove. The reason why I went with the wood stove is I'm in a woodworking shop, so I thought it would be a great way to use all of my scraps in form of heating. So Kent actually installed it for me. It was about a 3-hour process, which I was really pleased with because he was in and out, he was awesome, and he is wet certified, so he gave me the certificate. I liked this stove the best because it was so small and compact and it takes up barely any space. So I think it would be really good for any room in your home. It heats up so fast that you could probably use it on a bigger space, but just the profile of it fit the shop pretty well. So I was actually in here cleaning up, and I had to open the door and have a t-shirt on. Like, it was crazy, and it was like -8, I think, or 9. My favorite part about the stove is the built-in blower. It's a high and a low setting, and as soon as I turn that on, the wood shop is instantly warm. It has changed my life. Coming out here in the morning time at 7:30 before I bring the kids to school and starting a fire, and then coming back, it's like 20 degrees in here, and it feels so nice to be able to just get started. Not have to go inside every hour with purple hands trying to like warm myself up so that I can get back to work. I can just work straight through and be way more successful.